Hello, welcome back to Father Son Chicken Review. Today we are going to be testing out the Francesca's medium wings.
We have Francesca's medium wings. Yeehaw! We also got Parmesan garlic if you want to try that.
I don't know.
You don't know? We'll do them both. Ooh, it's all slippery and slobbery.
Yeah,
Ooh, the bottom's all
Did you
slobbery.
get a napkin?
I got napkins. I always get napkins. Oof. Woo! They're strong. They smell good.
No.
No?
Can you shove that one, please?
You don't like the garlic parm?
No, it smells so strong.
You don't want to try it?
No, I will.
All right. Well, I can't close it then.
Fine, we'll do that.
All right, you want to do that one first? Do you want to do it or no?
Sure.
You don't have to. Obviously, you can't stand the smell of it. They're going to be potent. So, well, I got to show you guys first before we dig in. So there's the garlic Parmesan. Okay, and these are the mediums.
I'm not biting the leg off the garlic.
What are you doing?
I'm not biting all the garlic. I'm just going to...
Okay, welcome back. All right, you want it? You want that one?
Oh!
You ready? You want to do this?
No.
Why?
Fine. Me too.
Well, if you don't like it, don't have any more.
I'm good. I just think the tiniest bite. I forget about it. I'm looking.
All right.
I don't really like it that bad.
You don't like it? Okay. You barely ate it. It one little tiny bite.
It's not good.
All right. Go ahead. What do you rate it? Kid's a traditionalist, so.
I'm probably gonna rate it.
Say it louder so they can hear you.
4.8.
4.8 from the guy that doesn't like stuff like that. Me? Good flavor. Good taste. I like the cheese. I like the garlic. Nice mixture.
The cheese was good. The cheese
Not
was
too
good.
heavy. Moist chicken. Good. I'm gonna have to go 7.1. Ready for the milds?
Yeah.
Remember, we gotta make sure we get the sauce on the milds. I don't want to make the same mistake I did last week.
But these look really good.
Yes.
I
Grab one of those.
got
Get a little bit of sauce on it.
Look at that sauce.
Ooh, it's got good sauce on it. Nice.
This is what the drumstick. That's what the sauce looks like.
Saucy.
3, 2, 1. They look pretty good.
Mmm.
Those are hot. They're one of the hardest.
You think so?
Mm-hmm. Pretty good.
Pretty good.
It could be better.
Could be better.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
This is a tough one.
Yeah? Why is it tough?
It might be lower than Wegmans. I don't know yet.
Yeah? Lower than Wegmans? What about home base? That was your favorite so far. So these aren't your favorite, right?
No.
They're not? Okay.
More than 8.
An 8? 8 even?
It's not better than Wegmans.
Alright. These are very good. They're up there with Wegmans. I don't know if they're better than Wegmans. Good flavor.
No.
The meat's moist. It's got a nice crisp to it.
It's pretty crispy.
Yeah, pretty crispy, but the middle is moist. Sauce is good. It's not super hot. You think it's super hot? Is it burning your lips? It's not burning my lips.
Yeah.
8.3. They're delicious.
Is
They're
it
very
better
good.
than Wegmans?
No, I think I gave it 8.4. It's probably my second favorite.
I guess we'll see when we go to the paper.
Yeah, we have a paper. We're writing this down now because we're nerds. But thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. We want to get more subscribers. We're going to have a giveaway at 20 subscribers. So we will let you know more once we see more subscribers. Come on, guys. You know you want to watch us.
Please comment.
Comment, like, subscribe. Give us places to go. We love eating chicken wings. Thank you. Have a great day.
Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.